Hello and welcome back to Learn PCM. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter quadrilateral और यहाँ पर हम theorems को लेकर proving में लगे हुए हैं. तो आज हम theorem number 5 लेकर आए हैं. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. This we are going to prove today. Now what is given to us? Let's see. Given is that given is a rhombus. Okay. So ABCD is rhombus, and we have to prove what when it is a rhombus. First of all, let's write down that this side is equal to this side. It means all sides are in fact equal. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. So what we are having, so what we are going to do here, we are having given with all sides equal. Okay, we are going to consider these two triangles. We know that the diagonals bisect each other. Okay, when it is a rhombus, so diagonals also bisect each other, and we have to prove that these angles are 90 degree. They are perpendicular to each other. That we have to prove. So let us see how can we prove it. Diagonals bisect each other because it's a rhombus. So we are given with this also, that diagonals bisect each other. ठीक है, ये diagonals एक दूसरे को bisect कर रहा है. It means कि this side is equal to this. That means AO is equal to OC. Okay, this is also given to us. Okay, now we are going to consider this and this triangle. So let us write down in triangle AOB and AOB and triangle BOC, or you can say COB. Triangle COB. Okay, now in triangle AOB and COB, what are the things you can match with? Let us see. It is AB equal to, you can see AB equal to CB. Okay, because of the side of rhombus. Okay, it is given that this is a rhombus. Then what else is there? We can say that AO is equal to OC. So AO equals to OC. Okay, it is because of the bisection of this one. Okay, so given, you can write, let us write it as given, as well as we are given with OB equal to OB being common. Okay, so you can see here that this is side, and this is side. So because of the SSS criteria, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SSS criteria. Once these two are congruent, we can say that this angle is equal to this angle, isn't it? So we can say, suppose you can say this angle is AOB. So we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT, right? Also we can say that these two angles when taken together
form 180 degree.
Correct. So we can write it like this. Also angle AOB plus angle COB forms 180 degree, all because of linear pair. You can see here they are creating a linear pair, right? Now we know that these two angles are equal also, so we can write this in place of this angle. I can give the same name to this angle, right? That means I can write it like this, angle AOB plus, instead of COB I can write angle AOB again. Why? Because both are equal. Okay, so I can write it as 180 degree. Now AOB, so we can write two angle AOBs are there. Okay, now so two angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. It means angle AOB will be equal to 90 degree divided by 2. We are getting 90 degree. It shows what? If this is 90, this is also 90. If this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. And that is why we can say that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Hence proved. So this is how we need to prove our theorems. Okay, and this is the way of proving theorems in case of quadrilaterals. If you are having any problem in quadrilaterals, just try with your theorems and how to prove the theorems. For that, you can just use the congruency criteria. And once you know how to prove congruency, you will be able to complete your theorems. You will be able to prove your theorems definitely. So these are the important theorems related to quadrilaterals. There are a little more also, but I think you are very much able to do with those theorems. So I'm not going to explain them further, and further we are going to come up with the, I think there are some questions. So one or two questions I'll be coming up with in the next videos, and after that we'll go for the circles. Okay, so keep watching. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and I hope you are going to share the videos if other students are there in search of such type of videos. Thank you so much.